Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will do paper 2 of October 2015. Code is 111202. This is paper of Cambridge secondary 1 checkpoint. Right, this is paper 2, so you know that we can use calculator in this paper and you can use geometrical instruments, and tracing paper is optional. If it's needed then you can use that, right? So here are the instructions. You can go through the instructions. Before we start the paper, I would like you guys to request to subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you like the video, and share it with your friends. So let's start. Question 1. Kareem does a survey on of the number of people in cars passing his house in the morning. He does this on Monday and on Saturday. The chart shows the results. So you can see there are two charts. This is for Monday. You can see here is a frequency and we have number of people horizontal side, and then down here we have Saturday. So frequency on the vertical axis and number of people on the horizontal axis. The question is, tick the box to show which day has the larger mode. So we are going to compare the mode. Monday, Saturday, they are the same. Then we have to give a reason for that. So let's see that. Now what is mode? Mode is the with the maximum number that has, like here number of people, here number of people is 1. Most of the time it's 1. Frequency, maximum frequency is for 1, but here you can see the maximum frequency is 2. So mode is greater in case of Saturday, right? So we are going to tick here Saturday, and to support our answer we will write down here that mode on Monday is 1 and mode on Saturday is 2, which is greater. Okay, so that's it. You can see this is just 1 mark question, so you have to just read and give the answer. It looks complicated, but it's not like that. First use the logics, then you can get your answer, right? So I can show you again here. We are going to tick Saturday because mode on Monday is 1 and mode on Saturday is 2, which is greater than 1, right? So let's move to next one. Number 2. Enid use term to term rule to work out a sequence. Here are the first 4 terms. So we have first 4 terms. So write down the term to term rule. Now see, if you go from here to the next term, so how are you getting this? 23, 29, they all are increasing. So it's increasing. So you can just subtract the previous term from the next one. So it's 29 minus 23, which is 6. So again next one we can say 35 minus 29, which is again 6. So term to term rule is add 6, because we are getting next term by adding 6 here. So term to term rule is 6. Work out the 11th term of the sequence. So for the 11th term we can use nth term rule. Either you can just add here the 6 to get the 11th term. So we can just do that, like here it is 23, 29, 35, 41. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are looking for this term, right? So we will continue adding 6 into this. So 41 plus 6, 41 plus 6, 47, right? So then plus 6, it's 53, plus 6, 59, plus 6, it's 65, plus 6 again, it is 71, plus 6, it is 77, plus 6 is 83. So 83 will be the 11th term, or you can directly use formula as I told you in the previous videos, right? So here I just used the term to term rule. Now number 3, Rosie is filling up her bath, right? She starts by turning on just the cold tap. After a while she also turns on the hot tap. Put a ring around the graph that best shows the graph of water of Rosie's bath. So now we need to look carefully to all these 4 graphs to know which one is the correct one, right? And so now you see this one here, water is increasing. This is depth of water and time. According to time, you see water is increasing, water level is increasing, then it is stable. So but she has not stopped anything. The question is like let me go through again. She starts by turning on just the cold tap. She on the cold tap, then she has turned on also the hot tap. So that means water level should go up. Here it is filling with one tap, then another tap. So water is filling by 2 taps. So that means water level should go up quickly. So this is not the case because there is a stability. Here also according to time its water level is going down, so no. So this is increasing continuously, so this is also not. So this will be our answer, because you see here up to this it's the cold water filling up slowly, then 2 taps, so it's more steeper. So that means bath is filling more quickly. So we are going to put ring on this because both taps are open and it's filling up quickly now. So that's it for this. Let's move to next one. Question number 4. The length of nail rounded to 1 decimal place is 6.9 centimeters. Write down the shortest possible length that the nail could be. So you see, when you round a number to 1 decimal place, so answer is 6.9. So what could be the shortest? So we are looking for the shortest possible. So if we have here, let's say 6.85, right? So when you round it to 1 decimal place here, it becomes 6.9, right? So below this there may be 6. Let's say 84. If it's 84, then when you round it to 1 decimal place, then it becomes 6.8, but we need 6.9, right? So after this I can take the bigger number than this, 86. When you do this, so this will be 6.9, but then this number is bigger than this. So that means the shortest possible answer is 6.85, right? So this will be our final answer, 6.85, right? Now number 5. A fruit bowl contains apples, bananas and oranges. The number of each type of fruit is shown in the table. So we have this here. Tori takes piece of fruit from the bowl at random. Draw an arrow to place each of the following event on the probability scale. We have the probability scale here and we have to put all these events accordingly, right? So the first event is E. Tori takes out banana. Banana is 6. Okay, so 6 but it's already given to us here. You can see this is 1 2 3 4 5, so it have been divided into 5 equal parts here. So this is in the middle, right? So that means it has even chances. So it was even chances that 6 out of how many? 6 plus 2 8 plus 4 12. So it was 1 over 2, which is half. So E was in the middle. Now F. Tori takes an orange. So let's see orange. Orange is 4 out of 12. So that means 4 out of 12. And we have how many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6 it will be, when you divide it by 2, divide by 2, it is 2 over 6, right? So we will have F here, 1, 2. So this will be F. Okay. So now next G. G is Tori does not take out an apple. Does not take out an apple. So first we are looking for the apple. Apple is 2 out of 12. So 2 out of 12, then divide by 2. Divide by 2, it will be 1 out of 6. So, and that means 1 out of 6 is here. So but not means that we are going to take 1 minus 1 over 6, which is 5 over 6. So we will have G here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is G here, right? So we are done with this. Event H. Tori takes out a strawberry. Strawberry. Do you see strawberry in the table? Nowhere. So it's nowhere. So that means that is 0. So strawberry will go here. This event is H. So that's it for this. See, you can find out the probability and then you can place them accordingly on the scale. Question number 6. Simplify. We have the expression here. We are going to collect the like terms here. So 3y plus 2y. 3y plus 2y is 5y. Then we have 7 plus 1. It is 8. All are positive, so we are just going to add them. So final answer is 5y plus 8. Right? Expand the bracket. So 6 is outside the bracket, so it's gonna multiply inside. Everything. 6 times 2, it's 12. W, positive sign, remain positive. 6 times 5, it is 30. So your answer is 12W plus 30. Okay. Now number 7. Amin and Kala takes a maths test. Amin scores 40 marks and Kala scores 60 marks. Write the ratio of Amin's to Kala's marks as simply as possible. So Amin to Kala's. Amin's marks are 40 and Kala's marks 60. So divide by 10, 0, 0 gone. Divide by 2, it's 2 and 3. So final answer is 2:3, right? Part B. There are given $20 to share between them. They share the money in the ratio of their marks. How much does Amin receive? Amin, so this is Amin and this is Kara. Amin receives 2 out of 5. 2 plus 3, it is 5. And how much he gets out of 20? So 5 times 4, we are left with $8. So final answer is $8. So let's move to next question. Question number 8. This chart shows the time the students in 3 complete their homework, right? So this graph shows the time taken by time taken by the students for according to their homework. So you can see percentage of students along this side, and then we have here class X, Y and Z. But you can see this graph is a bit complicated. You can see the key, and this dark one is more than 1 hour, this gray is between 30 minutes and 1 hour, and this one is less than 30 minutes. So we have 3 different kind of graphs in one bar. So it looks complicated, but it's not like that. So we have to read it carefully. The question is, find the percentage of students in class X that took more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour. So we are just going to focus on this part, right? More than 1 hour. Read question again. Find the percentage of students of class X. Now again, out of all these, we are just looking for class X. More than 1 hour. More than 1 hour is this part. So you can see it is from here up to this. So what is that? So first we need to see where is this one. This line is here. So it is it's 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. This is 48 up to 100. So we are just going to subtract. So it is 100. It was 100% here, 100, and this is 48. So minus 48, which is 52. So our answer is 52%. See, it looks very complicated, but it's not. So just underline the keywords and go accordingly. You will find out your final answer, right? Number 9, put a ring around the calculation with the largest answer. This is very simple question. So we have to make the calculations first. So first one is 2 over 5. Show how you know that. First we will need to calculate this. First one is 2 over 5 of 410. So you can simply use calculator for that. 2 times 410 divided by 5. So your answer is 164. So this answer is 164. The other one is 38%. That means 30 over 100 times 420. So 38 times 420 divided by 100. So this is 159.6. 159.6 we can write on 0. Put a ring around the calculation with the larger answer. Which one is larger here? This 164. So we are going to put a ring here. Remember to put ring here. Don't put ring in your working, because this is separate. You will get 1 mark for this and 1 mark for the to show your working, right? Question number 10. A circle has diameter of 8.6. So this is the diameter given to us. Calculate the circumference of the circle. Now, formula of circumference of circle is pi d or 2 pi r. But now we are given diameter, so we are just going to use this formula. So pi d, pi times 8.6. So directly we can use from the calculator. Shift, this is pi here, pi times 8.6. So answer is 27.01. So we can write down 27.01, or we can just round it 27.0 centimeters, right? So that's it for this question. Question number 11. Kofi has 20 snakes. The length in meters of his snakes are. I was shocked having snakes here. Okay, so we are given these lengths of the snakes. Complete the frequency table for the lengths. The first 2 rows have been done for you. So let's start this one. So the ones which are done, they are already crossed out here. So we have here from 2 to 3. So 2, you see there is, this is equal sign here. So 2 will be included in this interval up to 3. So 2.07 will come here, less than 3. 2.64 will also come here. 2.93 will also come here, and then 3.15 will go in the next one here. 2.51 less than 3, so it will come here, right? 2.83 here. 3.27 will come in this one. 2.18 is here. 2.90 less than 3, it will come here. Yeah, that's it. So how many are they? These ones here, you see, this is 5 plus 2, it is 7, and this is 2. So we have completed this diagram, frequency diagram. Now, next V part, draw a frequency diagram to show the length of coffee snakes. The first bar has been done, has been drawn for you. So we have here the length in meters and we have frequency. The first one was 3, so 3 is drawn here. Second 1 to 2, from 1 to 2 we have 8, so 8 is here. So we are going to draw this one here like this up to this is the line of 2. Okay, and then 2 to 3 is 7, 2 to 3 is 7, 7 is here. Like this, and then we have 3 to 4 is 2, 2 is this one here. So that's it. So this is how you can complete this diagram. Part C. Lime also keeps snakes. The length of his snakes are shown in the frequency diagram. We are given this frequency diagram here. Let's see the question. Tick to show whether each of these statements true or false. Lime's longest snake is longer than coffee's longest snake. So we have to compare whose snake is longest here. So this is Lime's diagram. His longest snake is between 4 to Lime's is 4 to 5 centimeters, meters, right? And coffee's longest snake, let's see in the previous diagram, its longest snake, this is coffee snakes here, and so its length is 3 to 4, right? So this length is 3 to 4 meters. So he said Lime's longest snake is longer than, so it's true. Yeah, this is longer than that, so that's true. And the model class for length of lime snakes is same as model class for the coffees. So that means we are just looking for the model class of both, and we need to tell is it same or not, right? So model class with the largest frequency, it's this one from 1 to 2, right? This is the model class here. And in the previous diagram also, you see this is the biggest graph, this is also from 1 to 2, so that means their model class is same, so that means this statement is also true, right? That's it for this one. Number 12, here are names of 5 shapes. So we have 5 shapes here, A, B, C, D and E. We are given different names here. So that the diagram can be used to sort these shapes. So this is kind of a function machine, you see. I can just show you this. So the question is, complete the diagram by writing A, B, C, D, or in each gap B has been done for you. So we have gaps here. We are going to it's just kind of see, we are going to use these properties to put them in their correct place. So we have A is rectangle, B pentagon, C kite, D parallelogram, E is a square. So A, B, C, D, we are putting it here. Does it have exactly 4 sides? So which of these have exactly 4 sides? If it's no, then it will go here. So pentagon is like it has 5 sides, so this is in no, so B will come here. Now yes, now others, all these 4, so all these 4 have 4 sides. So here, yes, they all came here. So we have here now A, C, D and E, right? So does it have 2 pair of parallel side? 2 pair of parallel side. Rectangle have 2 pair of parallel side, and kite does not have. Kite is no, so that means kite will come here. So we are done with kite now. So now we are C is done. So now we have If it's yes, then we have ADE. ADE, it came here down, yes. Now, does it have 4 equal angles? ADE. 4 equal angles in this rectangle, yes. Parallelogram, no. Square, yes. Okay, so now if it is no, then this D will come here, parallelogram, right? So D is gone here. Now we are left with A and E gone down here. So yes, it's A. Now, are the diagonals perpendicular? So the diagonals are perpendicular in rectangle. You know the diagonals in rectangle are perpendicular. So that means A will come here, rectangle come here. So this is gone. So left one is E. So this is the final answer. So that's how you can sort out according to the properties, right? I'm just showing you again so that you can go through. I hope you understood. Before we move to next question, I would again like you guys to request, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and press the notification button so that you can bell icon so that you can get the notification, and share it with your friends, and let me know if there is anything you need further explanation or any particular paper to do. Now question number 13. Jack says, I think of a number n, subtract 5 and then divide by 7. Write an expression for the result in terms of n. So we are taking n as a variable. I think of a number, subtract 5. So n minus 5, right? Then divide by 7. So divide by 7. So this is the expression. So it is n minus 5 over 7, right? Number 14. In a 1.65 hectare area of land, 26% is covered by buildings. Calculate the area by buildings. So as we are given that covered by buildings, covered area is equal to 26% covered by the building. So it is 1.65. So 26% of 1.65. So it is 26 over 100 times 1.65. So let's calculate that one. 26 times 1.65 divided by 100. It's 0.429. 0.429. So that's the answer, 0.429 hectares, right? So that's end of this video. So we have covered question 1 to 14 in this video. Remaining questions I will do in the next video. I hope you guys understood all questions. If there is anything, let me know in the comment section. And all the best for your exams. God bless you guys. Okay, see you in the next video.